Watsonville area traffic, Twin Cessna 740 Whiskey Juliet, 10 miles east. Presently we're at 4500. After the last ridge, we'll descend for a straight in for 20, Watsonville.
Watsonville traffic 90 Foxtrot Lima is turning a 1.5 mile left base runway 20, Watsonville.
Watsonville traffic, Cessna 931, left crosswind 20, Watsonville. Watsonville traffic, Cessna 931, turning left downwind 20, Watsonville.
Watsonville traffic 90 Foxtrot Lima is approaching short final 20, Watsonville. Watsonville traffic, Skylane 900 Bravo Echo, we're about a mile to the southeast on the VOR Alpha. We'll be flying overhead 1,300 and then making the climbing turn back towards Watsonville.
Watsonville area traffic, Twin Cessna 740 Whiskey Juliet, 3 miles straight in, 20, full stop, Watsonville. Watsonville traffic, Cessna 931, turning left base 20, Watsonville. Watsonville area traffic, Twin Cessna 740 Whiskey Juliet, 1 mile straight in, 20, full stop. Looking for traffic on left base. Yeah, I see you. You're behind me. I'm gonna go around then, because you're coming at me pretty quick, man.
0 Foxtrot, 90 Foxtrot Lima is at the left crosswind for runway 20, Watsonville.
Everybody, please be advised there is an accident towards runway 20. Please be advised, Watsonville. Everybody, please be advised on airport, Watsonville. We have a couple of accidents. Please be advised, Watsonville.
Departing left crosswind, departing area, Watsonville.
Aircraft, please be advised. Traffic, airport ground vehicle crossing 9027 off Alpha.
NorCal approach, Skylane 419 Bravo Echo, we're on the mid side of Watsonville.
November 419 Bravo Echo, NorCal departure. Radar contact 2 miles south of Watsonville, 2100, one able to intention.
If able, can we get a clearance for the RNF29 into Marina?
Bravo Echo,
If he hears anything on.
do you hear anything on CTAP? We heard there was the crash at Watsonville just now at Twin Cessna.
It was a twin Cessna and a single engine Cessna. It looks like both of them went down 30 yards.
You said it was 2 aircraft?
From what it looks like, it was a 172 or a single engine Cessna and then a twin Cessna.
November 9 Bravo Echo, so it seemed like they crashed into each other?
Yeah, the twin Cessna was on a long final approach and somebody else was on base turning final, and the final approach, the twin engine Cessna didn't see him and he crashed into him. The single engine Cessna went down and the twin engine rolled into the ground into a meter.
November 9 Bravo Echo, Raj, thank you.
What airport was that?
Watsonville.
Watsonville traffic, any aircraft in the pattern, please advise, Watsonville.